IMO Standard Marine Communication Phrases. Traffic clearance, forward planning. Traffic clearance is required before entering Hong Kong waters. Do not enter the traffic lane. Proceed to the emergency anchorage. Keep clear of motor vessel Vega, avoid dangerous area. You have permission to enter the traffic lane. Traffic clearance granted. You have permission to enter traffic lane in position 22 degrees for 1.8 minutes north, 114 degrees 18 minutes east at 0700 UTC. Do not pass the reporting point LTS1 until 0730 UTC. Report at the next waypoint. You must arrive at waypoint 14 at 0800 UTC. Your berth is clear. Do not arrive in position 22 degrees for 1.8 minutes north, 114 degrees 18 minutes east before 0700 UTC. The tide is with you, against you.